Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'm honored. I'm grateful.
Let's begin to gently deepen the breath, but as you do this, don't feel like you have to do anything in particular.
Perhaps a little more full inhale, a little more complete exhale. Just see what happens. And as you continue here, just wherever you are, know that it's the right place to be and there's no right or wrong here. Imagine that the earth is just lifting up, rising up to meet you. And then we'll gently release that. We're going to turn to one side, any side, and we'll gently press up to all fours. Come to tabletop position. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Slow and long, so we're really focusing on extending the exhale here, slowing it down, which slows down the mind. Then inhale, come back to center, walk the hands forward, curl the toes under, and send the hips up and back for downward facing dog. Chin to chest, reach behind as you inhale, palms come together behind the neck, hang with me. And one more time, inhale, halfway lift. Chin to chest, reach behind, inhale. Lift and lengthen, really stretch. Engage your core as you slowly roll down onto your back. Take a deep breath as you settle into the mat. Take a moment to adjust the back of your head. And as you exhale, soften your shoulders, releasing your weight into the ground. Inhale deeply through the nose. Pause at the top of the breath. Now purse your lips and exhale slowly. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest forward into cow pose. Exhale, press the mat away, round your spine, chin to chest for cat pose. Inhale deeply as you drop your belly toward the floor. Lift your gaze and open your chest, stretching the front of your torso. Inhale, arch the back, look forward. And exhale, rounding the spine, pressing the air out through purse. Push your hips up and back, lengthening the spine. Relax your head between your arms and breathe deeply. As you hold this pose, focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. As you exhale, we'll bring the palms together at the heart center, Anjali Mudra. We lift the chin, we lengthen through the spine, we breathe in. And then exhale, press the palms. Perhaps a little more full inhale, a little more complete exhale. Just see what happens. And any areas of your body that might be moving as you breathe out. And if you don't notice anything, that's okay. Imagine that the earth is just lifting up, rising up to meet you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and on your next exhale, breathe out through your lips, pursed. One more time. Slow and long, so we're really focusing on extending the exhale here, slowing it down, which slows down the mind. Melting the heart back, shaking the head, a little yes, a little no. As you exhale, we'll bring the palms together at the heart center, Anjali Mudra. Exhale, palms float down, fingertips kiss the earth. We'll give them a little rub, rubbing the palms together, maybe getting quick about it, creating a little heat.